Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about screen not turning on in iPhone. Get it working in no time. Number 1. Force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, about 10 seconds. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold both the side button and the volume down button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier, press and hold both the home button and the top or side button until the Apple logo appears. Number 2. Charge your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to a charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Ensure the charging cable and adapter are functioning properly. Number 3. Check for physical damage. Inspect the screen for cracks or signs of damage. If damaged, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. Thanks for watching.